Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this CAD training course, and the topic for today will be the creation of libraries of parametric elements. TFlex in standard mode offers already a very rich library of elements which are included in the standard installation package. Nevertheless, we have the possibility to create our own elements, our own drawings, and include them on the libraries that we have, or create new libraries. This can be done for both 2D and 3D. The process, it is the same. We will return to the topic when we are on the 3D side, but I will explain you with one example that we have already created. I will explain you how to go through all the steps. So I will go to the libraries that we have already installed, and inside examples, parameterization, we have library of parametric elements, and we have this drawing here that I will open. And as you can see, we have already a 2D and a 3D side. I will not delete, but will suppress the 3D side, and will leave only the 2D side. So the idea to create this is basically a couple of steps. The first one, for sure, it is, if we know what to do, then the first thing is to create a database of measurements. And we've seen already how to create a database. So I have already a database created to avoid losing so much time. As you can see, I have already a database for the parameters regarding this screw. And what is important here, it is to put on the first column the parameter that is the driving parameter. In this particular case, because it is a screw, it is commanded by the diameter, and this is the parameter regarding the diameter. So this is the first step to work for the libraries. Then, after having this database created, we need to create the variables that will control all of this drawing, and that can work with the databases. So if I go to the variables, you see that we have already also a set of variables, okay, that make a lot of things. It's not very important in this particular video to show you what to do each variable, because the creation of these variables, you know already how to do them. And for greater detail, you can check our training course on the theoretical side. So basically, we have a set of variables that are interrelated, and they go and read also to these databases that we've created before. Then, for sure, after or before, we need to create the drawing. In this particular case, it is a 2D. It could be a 3D, but we have this drawing created already here. After the drawing created, we should do also something that we've seen already, called the fixing vectors. You know already what is the fixing vectors, and you can see that I have already these fixing vectors in several places of my drawing. So these fixing vectors will act as the anchor points to insert this drawing as a fragment in other places. Then we need to create the the connectors, and the connectors have similar, not a similar function, but if you remember, they will act as elements that will allow to insert the element and to adapt at that moment to the different measurements. 6, it's better to do, and we've seen already a couple of examples of those. We need to create also a dialog box to make the insertion of the element in the drawing. So you can see what it was done in this particular case. We can go to this side and see the dialog box, okay? And we can see the result. So in fact, what happened, it is, let's go again. If we change things here, the element will adapt. So we can choose diameter, length, the design, okay, in several modes. The head design 1 or 2, I don't know what this does. Don't draw axis or draw axis, okay? We have several things. This is the other point that we should do as an easy point to make the insertion. And finally, we simply need to insert this drawing on the library. And if you check inside the installation folder, you have so Tflex CAD, you have one folder called libraries, examples, parameterization, library of parametric parts, and I have my file inside. So I just need to grab my file and put it on the folder where I want to have it accessed for the program. And you see it is here. So it's very easy to insert. So this is all the work and all the steps to create this library or this element to insert on the library. After we've done all of this, we save it on the place, and then what we can do, it is insert it as fragment. And I have this to insert. Okay, I have these fixing vectors and the connectors to work with. And the idea in this particular case, it is insert this. Okay, we can work around with this element because when we insert it, basically we can work with the variables and so on. So if I change somewhere around here, okay, I can work with this and change it. So all of this configuration, it is used to have the elements inserted and have a package or a set of measurements or variations of this element that are defined in only one drawing. Okay. I hope these explanations were clear. I did not want to run all the steps to create these databases and variables and so on because it is very extensive and it will take this video too long. And in fact, we've seen already lessons to all of these steps. So I hope that it was clear enough to help you creating these elements for your work. Anyway, if you need any kind of help doing this process, contact us. We are here, and for sure we will help you according to your needs.